Zimbabwe has just signed a $533 million deal with China that could transform the nation's railways, speed up trade, and unlock billions in mineral exports. This isn't just another project, it's a game changer for Southern Africa, and history is being made. Welcome to Untold Africa, where we reveal the hidden stories behind Africa's biggest economic and infrastructure transformations. Subscribe and turn on notifications to be among the first to uncover projects and deals that could directly impact businesses, investments, and opportunities across the continent. On September 2, 2025, President Emmerson Mnangagwa finalized a $533 million rail modernization deal with China Railway International Group, CRIG, in Beijing. CRIG's subsidiary, Transk Engineering Corporation, will rehabilitate tracks, upgrade signaling systems, and deliver 17 new locomotives and 209 freight wagons. This is more than a repair. It's a strategic leap into a modern, efficient railway network that will redefine trade and mining logistics. In the 1990s, the National Railways of Zimbabwe transported over 12 million tons of goods yearly. Today, less than 3 million tons are moved due to broken tracks, outdated locomotives, and malfunctioning signaling systems. This isn't just a statistic, it's lost revenue, delayed exports, and obstacles for miners and regional trade. Truck reliance has increased costs and slowed economic growth, highlighting why this project is urgent. The $533 million plan includes rehabilitating key railway lines, introducing 17 modern locomotives and 209 freight wagons, installing advanced signaling systems, constructing 5 new stations to serve as logistics hubs. A major highlight is the Beitbridge-Harare Railway Corridor, a 566-kilometer line connecting Zimbabwe directly to South Africa. Transit times could drop by 30%, while trade with Botswana, Mozambique, and Zambia will become faster and more efficient. Zimbabwe is not just upgrading railways, it's positioning itself as a Southern African logistics hub. But real quick, if you want to stay ahead on Africa's biggest projects, subscribe to Untold Africa. Thank you. Minerals contribute nearly 40% of Zimbabwe's exports. Lithium, chrome, and coal will now move faster and cheaper, supporting the country's $12 billion mining output target by 2030. Efficient railways reduce costs, boost competitiveness, and allow mining companies to expand without logistical constraints. While minerals often steal the spotlight, agriculture is the backbone of Zimbabwe's economy, employing the majority of its people. Modern railways won't just carry coal or lithium, they'll carry maize, tobacco, cotton, and fresh produce across the country and beyond borders. Today, farmers face high transport costs and delays that eat into their profits, with perishable crops often spoiling before they reach the market. With faster, more reliable trains, harvests can move from rural farmlands to cities or even export hubs in record time. For agriculture, this means less waste, better farm incomes, and stronger food security. And for rural communities, it's not just about moving crops, it's about moving lives forward. The construction phase alone will create approximately 5,000 jobs. Workers' incomes will ripple through local communities, increasing demand for goods and services. Lower logistics costs could even reduce prices for everyday products, generating benefits far beyond the railway lines. Construction starts in December 2025 with a 3-year rollout. Year 1, first locomotives and wagons delivered. Year 2, major sections of the Beitbridge-Harare corridor operational. Year 3, complete modernization, including stations and signals. Businesses and investors can plan confidently around these milestones. Risks include cost overruns, political shifts, logistical delays, and environmental concerns. Careful project management and strong governance will determine whether Zimbabwe fully capitalizes on this opportunity. Beyond faster exports and regional integration, Zimbabwe faces a strategic choice: continue shipping raw minerals abroad, or leverage this infrastructure to develop local industries and export finished products instead. Imagine a Zimbabwe not just moving resources, but producing value-added goods that strengthen the economy, create thousands of sustainable jobs, and reduce dependency on foreign buyers. By 2030, this modern railway could be the backbone of a nation moving from resource extraction to industrial empowerment. Do you think Zimbabwe can turn this $533 million railway plan into reality and perhaps shift to exporting finished products instead of raw minerals? Comment below and share your thoughts. And don't stop here. Click the video on your screen now to uncover the next big story shaping Africa.